Hi there, my name is Pavel Stimilan. This is All in Talk. Today I'm really excited to meet Mr. Liu Chao, who is the CEO of Huawei Manufacturing and Large Enterprises Business Unit. I'm really expecting to see what he has to say about this year's NWC edition. Let's go find him.
Hi, Paul. Nice to meet you.
It's actually a pleasure. It will be great to learn about how the retail world is developing. And as a consumer, I'm really interested about this industry. Could you share some initial insights on how this industry is going to develop and change over the next few years?
Okay. The retail industry is going through changes driven by smart technologies. As consumer needs become diversified and personalized, retailers must provide customers service, improve efficiency, and reduce costs.
I'm curious about what can Huawei do to help retail enterprises and big companies.
We are cooperating with many retailers all around the world. We found that conventional stores often lack adequate IT infrastructure, and the maintenance can be very challenging. However, stores play a crucial role in consumer satisfaction. To meet the needs of retail companies, we have created the Intelligent Retail Solution. It focuses on smart stores, intelligent warehousing, and energy efficiency, all aimed at facilitating a digital upgrade for retailers.
Could you tell us a little bit more about the solution and some actual examples that could be deployed within companies?
We offered a cloud network security integration solution for store network deployment. Through SD-WAN, every outlet can efficiently connect to the head office. Our latest Wi-Fi 7 devices and 3G network planning services helps ensure high bandwidth wireless networks that leave no blind spots. And we also work with partners to provide the electronic shelf label or ESL solution, which helps improve operational efficiency. In addition, we have upgraded our cloud campus platform to provide the latest service like network-wide service awareness and fast fault locating. A renowned retail group has deployed our solution. Network service rollout now takes just only 1 day instead of a whole week. A team of 7 engineers can manage all networks for the global outlets, lower rate operate by 80%. IOPAPs are integrated with ESLs, slashing the TCO by 50%.
That's impressive, and I would love to see it lively. Why don't we just continue the tour?
Let's go.
Thank you.